Talo na naman ang Gilas. At this point, hindi na nakakagulat. Pero masakit pa rin. Hindi ko nahabaan tong video na to kasi na-copyright strike yung Taiwan analysis natin eh. Kaya this time, siguro mas maraming photos. Hindi ko alam paano nagagawa ng ibang creators yon. Mas marami silang videos pero ako nagsisimula pa lang na-copyright strike agad. So, anyway, rant over. We actually started strong this game. Sabi natin, yun yung kulang, di ba? Yung strong start. Pero, yung second quarter naman yung bagsak natin. Parang may kuryente sa umpisa, tas nawala ng karga halfway through. May isang trend na paulit-ulit sa losses natin. 3-point shooting. Grabe yung disparity natin against New Zealand and yung Chinese Taipei din, di ba? And it goes back to our coaching philosophy. Since the Steph Curry era, threes na ang currency ng basketball. Pero sa PBA, and even sa Gilas, drive and dish pa rin ang mindset. Paint pa rin yung priority.
We're also taking the first fucking available three every time! We need something to the rim, fellas!
Pero yun kasi yung construction ng team. Ang daming open shots na di naman pumapasok. We don't have pure shooters like yung sa era ni Jeff Chan at Larry Fonacier o sa time ni Renren Ritualo and of course Alan Kaidig, diba? Pero sino namang ipapalit mo? Si Jordan Heading, solid but not quite at that level. Si Marcio naman, well, tumatanda na si Marcio. Speaking of tumatanda, there's Junmar. Laging may hate talaga na pang PBA lang si Junmar, but we've seen him do well in international tournaments. Di ko kasi alam if nako-consider ng mga tao kasi ang dami nagsasabi Japet doesn't get minutes dahil matanda na siya. Pero naisip na natin na halos magkaedad lang si Junmar at Japet. Pero ito nga, ito yung laging paradox kay Junmar. You take the good with the bad. Yung good, meron kang post presence on the offensive end. Malakas din mag-box out for offensive rebounds. Pero sa depensa, liability talaga siya. Although, to be fair, shout out sa defensive stop niya sa sequence na to. Ironically, si AJ Edu naman na supposedly defensive mind, siya yung sumablay sa next sequence. And speaking of Junmar and 3-point shots, there's this problem of spacing. Ito yung biggest adjustment ni Coach Tim Cone. Playing two bigs, pero yung mga bigs kasi natin, walang outside shooting. Si Tamayo, meron namang siyang outside shot pero hindi siya kasi yung babad sa minutes. On this play, Tamayo beat his man. Pero andun si Junmar sa kabilang side, so easy help on defense. Another sequence, parang halos the same play. Junmar beat his man, yung defender naman ni Edu yung nag-help. Walang space, walang kick out, so yun. So what does this mean? Well, wala ning slim chance natin mag number 1 sa group. We had that slim shot na mag 3-way tie kung nanalo tayo if ever. Pero now, that's really out of the window. Yung number 1 kasi, may bye sa next round, so di sila maglalaro. Pero ang good news, isa lang talaga yung malalaglag sa group. The third team still gets to move forward. So, if we beat Iraq, pasok pa rin tayo. Siguro naman mananalo tayo dun, no? Pero if same din lang yung performance natin pag nag-move forward tayo, ang tanong, aasa pa ba tayo? Well, sorry, frustrated fan lang talaga ngayon. Unless may magic na mangyari with Coach Tim Cone and the boys, all we can do now is abang-abang na lang. Nakikinood lang naman tayo. Let's go, Gilas!